There's one. Well, now you guys are always locking me out, playing mean. Yep. Okay, this is going to be weird. I've been trying. What's that? Uh, I'm. I've been trying on the in the sideline here, trying to get me my Prism Live Studio connection to my video camera, so I can show you not that, but this. Hang on, hang on. This is gonna work. It's gonna work. Now I just gotta go to Discord. Only got this to work once before, and I forgot how I did it. But I just finally figured it out. But I gotta figure out a way to send this to you. What the hell am I looking for? Discord. There we go. Because Discord is the way we chat right now. No, that's fucking just fuck. That's not Discord. This is Discord. Oh Jesus, we're playing a game in Discord. That confuses me. But watch this. Watch this. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Where it is? Paste. In the Discord chat, click on the YouTube link and tell me what you see. Oh, I just started. I just restarted my computer today. This is this is nothing. But there's the bird. See a bird? Oh no, is that that? No, that's not that. In the general chat for the table. It's up above the table. So okay, what I can't figure I remember how to do. See, you see muffins up in the corner? That's what I've been trying to do for the last half hour as we've been playing. I can't remember. Sorry, it's my turn. Um, there is a way. Yeah, I'm sleeping. There's a way to say, go to that, take just that camera. Right now. I just said you got it in personalized. You say, let me take my turn. And I'll shut the fuck up. What do I need? Uh, so you know VLC media player, right? General purpose video player. Well, it has no problem looking at this camera. And then I realized this Prism Live Studio is what these streamers use. Sorry, my turn still. Why do I want to go there? Why do I want to go there? Oh, something good must happen when you connect your cities together. Apparently not. Oh well. Oh, it's worth a try. Okay, so normally when I did this last time, remember Catherine, about 2 months ago maybe, I shared just the screen of it's a camera that's in a cage. Well, you use Prism Live Studio, which lets you assemble video sources and audio sources, a whole bunch of shitload of stuff into one stream, and then you put that out to your YouTube channel. And it's nothing more than say go live, and it's part of YouTube, right? I mean, anybody can do this. Well, today I'm trying to do it, and I can't figure out how the hell to get just the camera, but you can do anything. You know, capture a single application, take your whole screen and stick it into YouTube, and then everybody else can see it. So I got to figure out how to do it a little more a little more. Well, yeah, yeah. There's that. You get a scene and then you get a source. Your sources are your cameras and your other things. And in there, I just put in the yeah, and it'll you normally have to use the VLC player because you say VLC player play this camera. Done. It can play it. Then you say in Prism Live Studio choose a VLC source, and somehow that's supposed to connect through VLC, but it's not working right. I was just getting a blank screen earlier. Yeah, I've heard of both, so I've picked Prism Live Studio just because I picked one. Maybe I'll try OBS. I used to have OBS installed, but oh, oh yeah, right, right, oh, yeah, cool. I was asking you, did you ever talk about audio virtual audio cable? Okay, I guess I'll stay away from that. I Yeah, I know. Let me put it this way. That's why I want to find something like audio. I guess I gotta choose something. Another trade. That's what got me thinking about it again because I just went through a whole shitload of troubles. I'll take the first one. Thank you very much. Um, and through this bug that I was bug, no, just a difficulty in getting the Windows audio system to work correctly. Um, it's broken as far as I'm concerned. They have broken the Windows audio system by next turn. You have the Windows 10 and Windows 11. You have the new interface, the new settings interface for everything. So, but then you've also still got all the old tools like right-click speaker, the volume mixer. They're all in there. And I think there's somewhere because they're trying to do two things at once or trying to do the same thing in two different ways, it gets messed up. It is bad, I said, okay, there's got to be a better way. Then I started doing a little research, and this audio cable thing came up, and that sounds like because what I really want. Have you ever seen an old synthesizer with a plug board interface where you can basically say this input goes to that output and nowhere else, and if you want, I can put another like a Y connector, so I can have this input go to these two outputs. So basically, all your audio inputs and all your audio outputs can be mixed up via a plug board interface, and that's what I'm hoping they have in some sort of virtual audio cable because it sounds like what they're talking about. But you know, ooh, is that exclusive to somebody else or you? So oh, oh, that trade that your mother was just offering. Bell. Horn. Yep. Because these could be soundboard things coming from somebody else. Ah, neat. I did. Oh, I gotta get nitro for a bunch of these. Oh, ooh, you can add your own sounds. Ooh, that's ripe. That's ripe for abuse. Jesus, can you imagine what assholes do when they play this shit? Or maybe you guys experience it. See, I'm kind of protected that way. It's like with Twitter. It's like Twitter. I have no idea why everybody's so upset about Twitter. Earache? Yeah. Hmm. I'm trying. Oh, boo. I was trying. My phone can't see. There should be no reason why I can't share a picture on my phone to the Discord, right? Picture, share, Discord. Then make them fix it. I just get the Discord icon come up in the middle, spins around 5 times, and then dies. It's been died now for 5 minutes. Kill it. Yeah, don't go. Oh, I was talking about speaking of Home Depot. Hey, Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy gone. I spent I've spent 2 hours now on the phone trying to get the right people to talk about their website issues, and I've still yet to get the right people. Well, there's nothing wrong with it. I know, I understand. That's why I don't want to bug Jimmy. I just want to say it's it's exceedingly difficult to get to the place because I literally almost didn't buy $1,600 worth of tiling last week or week before because I couldn't get. There's just basically one browser, Chrome, I can log in, but I can't search for anything. The other browser, Firefox, clean. I can search for things, but I can't log in. And I have tried every bloody thing, including brand new version of Firefox, no extensions. I've tried Edge, I've tried Thorium, I've tried Arc. None of them will let me log in and search on the same browser. I had this poor person online for an hour trying to explain it to him, and I just never got through to him. And I said, "Can I please have somebody from your website team talk to me? Because here's the point, and I know you're not part of the team, but at some point, somebody should realize if a person can't log in or can't do a search, they might be losing a lot of business because it may not just be me. What if it's 30% of the people that go to the website can't get in like I'm having troubles. That's business that's going elsewhere. And I think that's probably not what they want. Sorry. Yes, this is the Canadian one. It's not, what else do I need? Oh, um, you know what happens when I try and search on the Canadian website? On Chrome browser? Sorry, an error happened. Nothing ever returned. Yep. But if I go to Firefox, clean browser, search is fine. So I want to build 6 items in my cart, right? So I want to log in. In Firefox, where I can do the searching for things, nope, no login. There's an error. Your password's wrong. I know damn well. I've got the 2 windows up next to each other. I know my password's right. I know my email's right. Can't. So what I ended up doing was searching in Firefox and then sticking it directly into, because the things are still there. If I go to the actual item code, the SKU or whatever, it'll show up in my Chrome browser, and then I can add it to my cart. But I got to do it from another browser, which I find a little annoying. But I'm trying to communicate to them, please understand, if 10% of your customers are having this problem and walking away and going to Lowe's, that's a big deal. At least if I was in charge of the place. Oh, well, sir. Ah, well, don't they want to find a person that's persistent and I'm going to say knowledgeable? You can disagree if you want, as I am about this shit. Why do they not say this person has got some valuable information for us that we can learn from? I like to point out, when I used to work in customer service for a company that sold big milling machines, we worked as hard as we could to get things right, and I think that worked out well for the company. I could be wrong. Maybe it's easy to just send machines to India and not fucking service them and blame it on the Indians. Could be. Yeah, could be. Yeah, but that's a horrible attitude. That's an attitude that leads to, I don't know. It's not a positive thing. Oh, yeah, you don't want to hear it. It's ugly. It's yeah. I've never tested the American ones. I don't really need to. But in short, Jimmy, I almost went somewhere else because of the problem with their website. Oh, that was gone again. You have to pause. Oh, she's back. Oh, nobody has. Oh shit. Oh crap. Well, how am I going to do anything? Hmm. Yeah, again. That's because I'm paying too much attention to fucking Prison Live Studio and not playing the game. But I'm enjoying myself regardless. So, where's all the brick again? How come we no brick? Because it's very rare. Look at it. It's only one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, it's about. Well, obviously forest is. John, what was the one I was saying the other day? I needed to. Oh, I was working with my mom. She had her tablet, and we're trying to work on doing something as simple as transferring money from one bank account to another bank account, both of which are hers. And the bank says, no, can't do it. Not allowed. Can't be done. I'm like, it can't be done. You can't send money from yourself on one bank to another. This is 2 major banks, 2 of the 5 major banks in Canada, right? Oh, no, we can't do that, man. Oh, sorry. So I was saying to you something like, I want to take the developers of this website and I want to put my fingers up their nose and drag them in front of this screen and show them the difficulty a sophisticated computer user like myself has trying to get through was something as simple as making an e-transfer person. Just the way the defaults were, and then my mom, what, 78 years old or whatever, She is completely confused because, and I said, of course you're confused. Look at how shitty this interface is. Like, did the people that wrote it ever try to do the 5 steps to create an account? Because if you try to, it's real confusing. We got through it eventually, but it's just like the stuff should be simpler. It's been a few years that we've been doing this. We should have good practices. Like the eyeball to show your what you've typed in, right? Number one, if I push the eyeball, but it's different. If it's a Microsoft thing, you push and hold it, right? But if it's everybody else, you click it once and it goes one way. For that matter, if I click it once, remember that I never want to hide my password, right? Never. I don't. No. Let me decide. Everybody else can leave it the way they want. No, no, I don't see that. Besides, if they're afraid of being sued, they're idiots. Um, or in this one, what was it? Oh, you start typing and then you realize, oh, I need to see what I'm typing, right? So I want to see. You've got 3 or 4 dots, and then you go, oh, turn on the eyeball. Click the eyeball, erases what you've typed, and then you got to start again. I've seen that one. What was the one I mentioned to you last week? There, Catherine, I mentioned something was. Oh yeah, okay. I got a little video, but I should work it up. But so you're doing search and replace. No, not doing search and replace. What the fuck are you doing? You get so you type a bunch of stuff in Messenger, and you've got a word spelled wrong. So you double click, right? Selects the word and the space after it. Right click, find your replacement word, put the replacement word in, and because it's selected the space, it's now put, oh, hello. It's now put the word you just corrected together with the next word. Now that's an error. Now double click is the standard way to select a word. Generally, double click selects a word, triple click selects a sentence. If you carefully remove the selection of the space and then replace, it works. But what's cute is that when you double click, select word plus space, replace word, now the 2 words are bashed together, they're now an error. So you right click to replace it replaces that word because and then it does the same thing to the next word. So basically your error moves down the line until you get to the end of what you've typed, and then you finally have no more errors. It's just a little thing that I got a video of it. It's kind of amusing, but it just, what do you do? Who are you going to tell that to? Yeah. Oh, no, it was on PC desktop. I wonder if I can do it right now. I've got a video. I'll send you the video later. It's something that I can probably send that to Messenger, to Facebook, to what's their name? Who owns Facebook nowadays? Meta. So Google. So now I got to. It pretty much works the same way everywhere. And what they got to do is they got to look at what has been selected and not get rid of the space between the 2 words, because then the next words will be wrong. I couldn't find a place. No, they certainly didn't. It's like, because when you call a phone line, it's like five items, 5 places to talk to, and none of them are about website issues, which I can guess. But so the best thing I do is push one, which is orders, like website orders or something else like that. So I went, okay, and she's like, I'm sorry, I have no idea what you're talking about, browsers, and and find, and because I went on a little bit at first, like bobbity bobbity bob, this is what's wrong. She's like, I'm sorry, sir, I deal with errors or orders. I said, okay, well, who do I talk to? How do I escalate this? So I finally got to another guy, and aside from taking 10 minutes to get my email address correct, the whole Cedric at ckms.ca took us that long. I actually went down to Charlie, Echo, Delta, Romeo, and you know how it's like, right? And I'm like, can we just exchange phone numbers maybe, and I can type it to you, or give me an email address, I'll send it to you, like literally 10 minutes. But it's my fault. I'm sure it's my fault somewhere. Now, the problem is most people don't care. Most people will simply find a way around it, and they're just, so what? Why do you have this problem, Cedric? I tell Paul about this. He's going, why don't you just go down to the store and order? I'm like, because the whole freaking point was to, yeah, but hang on, I want one of those. No resources, shit. Yeah. Oh, don't get me started on chat. Don't get me started on chat. They have two places to say chat. Neither one of them do anything. You click them and nothing happens. I have video of that. Click, nothing happens. Click, nothing happens. So, like, did anybody try that? And that's on even the cleanest browser. So they have attempted to give you a way to chat to people, but I did actually. I sent, sent a request to chat at 12 about noon today, and I've yet to get a response. They're supposed to contact me by SMS. Nothing, and they say it's open on Sundays. So anyhow, yeah. Well, I guess it makes people happy to simply, have a place to complain that doesn't respond. But anyhow, to where? Ooh.